checking the lagoons at the top, swimming with some monks, and we're going to check out all the lagoons below as well. Oh, it's going to be such a beautiful episode and sight to see today. All right, let's go. Hello, we've just got to Kuang Si Waterfall, and we decided we're going to go right to the end first, walk up this big trail here all the way to the waterfall, and then come back down. All right, let's go. Instead of walking all the way, we took the smart way. Pull like over one of these guys, and they'll take you all the way up. Okay. Come Jada. All right, so we got taken part of the way up. It sounds like the water is really rushing. I'm not sure how close we are actually to the Kuang Si Waterfall. We're going to check it out in a moment. But that just made the journey so much more easier, eh? Just as I suspected, it took us to the top. We're at Kuang Si Waterfall. We've decided to start at the top. As you see behind us, there's Kuang Si Waterfall. We're going to go to the top, come back down, go to the waterfall, well, the lagoons around, check them out, swim in them. We're going to swim. If you can't swim, you're not going to swim. And then we're going to check it all out, so take in this beauty. You're going to love it. A little bit slippery there. All right, so this is a way go down, don't go up. Ow. All right, we're going the wrong way. Oh, good. No, I need kababa. Way down, don't go up. So go that way. Bah. Oh, of course, you're going the wrong direction, eh? All right, let's check the other way. Check the other way. This one is a little bit slippery, but watch your way up. Look at that. Ooh. I know, be careful, be careful, be careful. It's all wet, your shoes are going to be wet by the time you get to the top. Oh, yeah, it's flowing down. It's flowing down, it's leaking. It's going to be the exercise for the day, after the morning exercise. Double exercise today. There we go, run, 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 run. How are you feeling?
We're tired.
We're not even halfway up yet. Gotta keep going, keep going. Ah, you're dying.
I'm dry.
Woo! So much fun. It's because she doesn't exercise. Please, on her phone. Ooh! No exercise. Easy, easy, sabai, sabai. So as you can hear with water, if you want to go up this way, which is going to get yourself soaked, look at that, steps all the way up. However, there is an alternative route up this way. Woo, making me sweat. There she goes. Way. Hello, how are you? Finally made it to the top. She's tired as hell. But, huh?
Very tired. I'm dry.
Are you dead?
No.
Okay, she's not dead. But when you get to the top, you know what time it is. It's worth it for those views. Wow, check it out. This is like a little wonderland that you've seen in the movies. Has the water over there, the ponds over there, the trees growing really high. What are you looking at now?
Crab?
A what? What do you see? Oh, a crab.
Yeah.
Yeah, right in the water there. Poke it. It's growing.
What are you saying?
It's a crab. There we go. This is what the monks came. They didn't come for a temple. They come for a little swim. All in the road. Take this one out. What a sight to see, eh? What a sight to see. That's brilliant. Monks playing in their robes, in the water. Besides the monks having a bunch of fun, there are some viewpoints right here. So the monks are over there, and we've got a couple of viewpoints up here. Come right up here and you get to see the waterfall in action. Check that out. Wow! They see it spraying up, all that kind of stuff there. It comes off. Double whammy there. The waterfall is actually coming off there as well. Let's see if there is a better spot over there. And it is. It is much more beautiful. Check that out. Look what we got here. A little buzzy bee. Jesus, I think he's attracted to my smell on my foot because it smells so good. Harm bar. Hey, harm there. Hey, harm down. I'm going to swim into the jungle. Look at that over there. Woo-wee. I'm suspecting it's cold. You know how it is. Let's do a run. Run and jump. Wow. Woo. It's walkable. They're nice. Woo, that's cold. Woo. Wow, swimming in the jungle, eh? Spider-Man's there. Wow, love this. Gonna love it. There's a natural little spring over there. Go have a look at it. Huh? Oh no! I took him for the vlog.
You can swim for quite a distance. Well, just around the...
Oh, there we go, there's some footing. Nah, I only plan to go to there and come back. That's the plan. Right over there. Right in the jungle. Alright, how do you get back over there? Mid-tier platform. I'm going to go into the jungle. Woo, this one moves. Let's trek into the jungle and get back to humanity. Oh shit. Wow. Here we go. Happy days. Proper in the jungle. Look at that. Imagine if there was no one there and you were like, how do I walk through this? That's why jungles can get. You can be just over there and not know there's anybody right here. That's how crazy jungles are. Go this way. Maที่นี่ทุกวันปะมาที่นี่ทุกวันปะซึ่งมาอาทิตย์หนึ่งครั้งเดียว1 week 1 time freezing เย็นอยู่so cold, so cold, so good, so cold. All right, my last one is going to be the rope swing. You know it.
1, 2, 3. No.
That was fun swimming. How you feel, Nang?
Feeling good.
No, she didn't swim. She can't swim, as she said. Now that was great. Going into the jungle, man. I was a little bit scared there was going to be snakes, crocodiles, and all them kind of things. You know, little piranhas as well. But we're all good here. Otherwise, they wouldn't let you allow. Well, they wouldn't allow you to swim in there, right? But I reckon in this jungle somewhere there are some snakes. But now I have that refreshing swim because last time I didn't get to go on this one. During the last time I just walked up here. We had a walk around with my friend Paddy, and then we went back down. But yeah, we're gonna go check out the other lagoons now. Let's go down. After all of that excitement, we're gonna go grab something to eat now. Wow, it's like a little Wonderland here. Hey, Wonderland. Lunch and Wonderland. So we're starting our food at the restaurant by the waterfall right there. Look at that right there. We're starting off with, what is this, weeds?
Not sweet.
Seaweed.
Thai.
What is it?
Thai.
Hi. Okay, I don't know what it is. I'll taste it. Yeah, it's seaweed. Yeah, it's seaweed. Tastes good. You like it? Okay. We got some sausage, Luang Prabang sausage. Alright, so I whacked it on DIY style. There's some there. Oh yeah, I like the way you do it. Now we got the soup.
Mushroom.
Sure.
Chip.
Okay. Got the soup. Let's dig in. Like it? Good? Seal of approval. As you can see, I only smashed a little bit. Oh, little cell smashed all of this. Look at all that. I don't know where she puts it all. Where will the food go?
พอแล้วพออิ่มแล้ว
Oh, just took some beautiful pictures by that, well, the rapids if you call it. Oh, so beautiful. You like the pictures?
Yeah, sure.
Take some good pictures. You're learning too, huh? Yeah, I'm teaching her, teaching the art. But yeah, we're going to carry on going down. There's 2 lagoons, there's like an area around here, may or may not get in. I'm not too sure about this one. Oh, but it's beautiful. Check this one out. Check this one out to my left. Check this one out. People are already having a bathe in it. Look at this. Yeah. Like in the past, there's actually one down there. I actually went swimming in that one, climbed up onto the other parts where they say you can't go swim in that area. I didn't know because I went in the backwards area way. But yeah, that was like 2 years ago. I went up that way during like the pandemic. But yeah, that has another like table over here. Sit down, chill. There's more fountains. Over there. No need to swim in this one. Alright. Oh! She just spotted some fish. Where's the fish? Okay, have some fish down here too. These ones will eat your feet. Just like the other lagoon over there, they're going to eat your feet too. Alright, so let's go down to the other ones. I keep forgetting how blue these places are, man. How beautiful the water is, man. It just comes off the limestone and just, oh, absolutely beautiful. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Just looking down and seeing how clear this water is. Have a look at this. The rocks are so clear here. Wow. Majorly clear. Oh, I love this, man. Love this. Gonna go into, yep, I remember rightly, this is the other lagoon, big lagoon. Is it this one? Yeah. Is it? Or is there another one? Because before we could, at this one right here at the side, we could jump off the ledge. They were pretty much dangerous. Yeah, it's that one. Oh, they say no entry up there. They say no jumping. Everybody used to jump off this one, man. This is the absolute epic one. Yeah. This is the one. This is the one. Now the sun is setting as well. Yeah, not interested. She's right over there. Oh man, this is absolutely beautiful. Check this out. Check this out. Oh. This one right here has no jumping on there before, but as you see, there are little steps going up to the edge. Everyone used to just go onto there, jump off. Oh, it was exhilarating, it was exciting, man. Oh, I remember you just swimming in. Oh, there's loads of fish as well in here. Already kitted out in. You know what? Swim out tired. Gonna call it that. Oh, rocks are slippy. Oh no. Oh no. This is gonna be cold. This is gonna be cold. Right. Here we go. As I say, don't think about it, just do it. Don't think about it, just do it. It's easier than it sounds. Alright, here we go. Especially when something's super cold. There we go. Going over the rocks. Oh, pretty rocky here. That is why we have to go 1, 2. Oh yeah, and it's still. There we go. It's not that deep. Walkable. Then it gets deeper. Woo! Watch you, little guy. Watch him go. Do a backflip. Woo! There we go, lad. Yes, lad. You got a bit scared. No fear, no fear. There, Tom, Tom! Oh! Way! Oh! Everyone's going. All right, can I do the jump? That's so nice, refreshing. Whoa. Back to reality. Nice little cool off. Man, I don't know how those kids did it because as soon as they hit the bottom, it was solid. It was like solid bed. Well, not bedrock, but it was solid mud. So I was surprised how the kids were jumping in, man. Surprised at that. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't dive in at first and fully down. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't. I went in feet first. That could have been bang on the head. Whew. It's always good to check first. Oh, God, this one is slipping. There we go. So, time to go on to the next one. And there's one more lagoon to my left right here. I think this is the first one, but we're just gonna have a look. We're not really gonna go in it. I've had enough of a swim today, 2 lagoons, but yeah, this one is beautiful as well. Check this out. Oh, absolutely major. Look at that, beautiful. You just go right off the edge over there, eh? Oh, yeah. All right, let's go on, let's go on. Well, for me, this is a lot of fun. You enjoy today? Yeah, we still got a little bit more. Let's see the bears now. Yeah. So yeah, next is the bears. Just right over there. I'm now in Free the Bears area. Seeing if there's any bears around here. Let's have a little gander. I think they've been brought inside because it's right now. It's around 4:35 p.m. So they're kind of closing down. I just want to show you something, what their works towards and the kind of cages the bears were kept in. So I'm just going to show you this. All right, so you see this cage? All right, I'm going to get into that cage and show you how small it is. Oh, so small.
Sure?
Oh, can't even stand up.
No.
Oh, tiny, tiny. Imagine spending 10 years in a cage like that. Must have been, you know, hell on earth. What is hurting my feet? Well, the reason why I fell over and what's hurting my feet is these are so spicy now. So spicy. Oh, it's hurting. But if you want to see what kind of bears they're saving, different type of bears across the world. They're not saving them all, but they're just giving an example of the different bears here. And I go and have a look, see if they've got any inside. All right, let's jump down here, off the spiky ones. Ooh. Yeah, it's amazing what they're doing here for the Save the Bears. I came here a while, like 2 years back. Let's have a little look inside here. What's going on? Oh. Can't see any in here. Oh. Oh, there's one. Oh, it's a cat. Ah, these are cats in here. There's one right over there in the corner.
This crow, baby.
Pop in there. All right, let's have a little gander up here. See, are any bears? I think I might have come too late. Yeah, look, it looks that way. It does look that way today. They've put all the bears inside, which, unfortunate, I couldn't show on this video, but we did come to Kuang Si a little bit late today. But hey, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Sometimes you don't get what you want. So that is all for Kuang Si Waterfall. If you like the video, you like the place, you like the sceneries, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about the place, how to get here, all that kind of stuff, just take a motorcycle. But yeah, comment below. And if you want to see more adventures and places around Luang Prabang and stuff like this, subscribe. All right, I'll see you in the next video. In the next episode, I find a lagoon that most people will never see and enjoy a waterfall that is on par with Kuang Si Waterfall. See you there.
Down a little swim over there.